Hey guys, happy holidays. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've been here in the train room, um, but I'm back here to do another Lionel review and running session. It's more or less just an overview video because this is an older locomotive. This is not something new that we just received. Um, we mostly got freight cars, which you can see behind me. This year in 2024. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so today we'll be unboxing more or less and running something that we've had in the collection for 10 years. That's pretty crazy to think about. This was actually our very first um, modern-ish, or not modern, our very first modern legacy equipped Lionel locomotive. Um, we had two prior to that. However, they were S-scale American Flyer, and we still have those. But this was our first legacy O-gauge model. So this is and I'll read it out to you. This is the SLSF, or St. Louis San Francisco Legacy Heavy 282, number 4126. So just by that, you can kind of already picture what it is if you know anything about trains. Yeah. Um, but this locomotive comes with legacy control, fan-driven smoke, legacy rail sounds, and whistle steam. And the part number is 6-81186. So let's get this thing open. So let's get this thing open. I also just want to say that if the audio sounds different, I did finally pick up some mics. So hopefully the audio doesn't suck. I don't know why, but I've always had a problem opening these boxes for whatever reason on these videos. Just can never get them out. Alright, so we'll start with the tender. We've got that classic Lionel wrapping. Alright. Awesome. Here it is. Yep. On the back, you can see you've got some lettering and some very nice detail, including that backup light. Flip it over on top. You got the nice coal load, which I do believe this is a real coal. Flip it over. And there's the number 4126. And up front, got some nice front end detailing. And there is that infrared tether that you see on all locomotives, or all steam locomotives. So yeah, this is very nice. It's got quite a bit of weight to it for being such a small tender, but that's because these are heavy Mikados. As there's go. Alright, there it is. Stay there. All right, there it is. It's a beautiful model. This is a Frisco heavy Mikado. Beautiful side details, all the pipe, all the exterior details, the cab. Same on this side. And on the front, right there. This is a very good looking model. All right, let's get this thing up on the layout. and let's run around the layout. All right, now we've got the locomotive up here, and we're gonna give it a nice running session. Behind it, I'm pulling a bunch of holiday themed cars because it's still the holidays. But also I have something to show you guys. So now we have lights. Yes, we have LED lights up here, which illuminates the trains a lot better. So I'm really excited for that. So let's go ahead and start this thing up.
This is the dispatcher. Do you copy? Copy that. Read your fine. Over. Very good. Start up and hold. Roger that. Start up and hold. Out.
Alright, so since this model came out 10 years ago in 2014, there is only one choice of whistle and one choice of bell. But this whistle and bell are very nostalgic to me. So first, let's hear the whistle. And let's listen to the bell. Alright, let's listen to some of the crew dialogue.
I'm ready to roll, dispatcher. Can I get to the main line? Over. Roger that. Take the green. Over. Roger that. We got your signal. Out. Dispatcher here. You're cleared outbound. Over. Roger that. We got your signal. Out. Dispatcher here. You're cleared outbound. Over. Roger that. Green board. Out. This is the dispatcher. Take the green. Over. Roger that. We got your signal. Out. Dispatcher, my water's full. Am I clear? Over. Roger that. Take the green. Over. Roger that. Green boards. Out. Dispatcher, my train's made up. Am I clear? Over. Negative. Please stand by. Over. Okay. Understood. Out. Dispatcher here. Stand by. Over. Will do, dispatcher. Out. My handbrakes are knocked off, dispatcher. Can I get a green light? Over. Negative. Stand by. Over. Roger that, dispatcher. Out. Running late, dispatcher. Can I get a green light? Over. Negative. Hold your position. Over. Roger that. Holding for clear. Out. This is the dispatcher. Please stand by. Over. Understood. Holding for green boards. Out. Dispatcher, trains buckle together. Can I get a go? Over. Negative. Stand by. Over. Roger that, dispatcher. Out.
Alright, let's just listen to some of the other features. So this is water.
My water's full. Acknowledged. Out.
And this is the sound of steam being blown down. Alright, let's roll this thing out.
Dispatcher, my train's made up. Am I clear? Over. Negative. Stand by. Over. Roger that, dispatcher. Out. Dispatcher here. Take the green. Over. Very good. Thanks, dispatcher. Clear to pull. Out. us today, dispatcher. Signing off. Out.
All right, that was a great running session. It was so much fun to get this locomotive back out and running because it's been a little while since I've run it. But yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. And this will probably be my last video of 2024. Not my last video ever, obviously. I'm still going to continue to make videos. Yeah, so just I wanted to say thank you for all the support in the last couple months, especially. We're almost at 600 subscribers, so it would be awesome if we could hit that soon. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and take care.